Hello guys. As you can see, the barbecue is still continuing. Afro barbecue, guys. This is Taifa Star, Tanzanian Taifa Stars. Today we are making a barbecue and we are prepared to play a game between young guys, single and married. So as you can see, everybody's coming, you know. So the more important thing is don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. And this is our captain here, Yusuf. Yeah. Guys, see our sister right there. You know, our brothers are coming. Chef is here. Yo, Afro barbecue. Guys, Afro barbecue. Nambie, mambo vipi? Sema. Alafu barbecue RT ndio mpishi. Hapa ndio mimi ndio chef mwenyewe. Yeah. So guys, Afro barbecue ina continue here. Watu sasa hivi wanachoma kuku, wanakula kuku. Baada ya hapo tutapiga game. Yeah, after barbecue we're gonna have a play game. So please guys, don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. And this is the field here. We rent this field for amount of half of 500, you know. So don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Share, like, subscribe to my channel. I am Sabit RT. You know, we are in Dimba here today. See these guys, they are breaking the bonds, bro. Break it. You know? Nakuchukueni kwa mbali. Step up. What? Oh, subscribe guys, subscribe. Na hii ndio field yenyewe. This is live, iko live. Naona watu wanarindima hapo. Rindima. Break the bonds, bro. Break it. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is a single guy. This is the guys that are singles, and they're gonna play with these guys here are married. I think these guys are married. I can see your face, guys. I see the difference by face. I know the singles and married. Married are more stress, you know. Okay, guys. This is just a short video. The game is not ready yet, you know. So don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel. See, our juniors are here, you know. Everywhere here is full, no place to sit. But see our sisters here, our brothers here, you know. Yeah. Ili koti, someone amenipa kama gift. Ulipendi koti langu, they don't like my jacket because it's a green jacket. Yeah, they don't like my jacket because it's a green jacket. I'm a chef today, you know. I'm a chef today. And this is our captain Gulam, you know, full mziki. Sema ona kwa mbali unavunja break the bonds, vunja mfupa. Na mimi ndio captain mwenyewe hapa. Mimi sili leo. Mimi leo sili. Kwa Rizwani. Mimi leo sili kitu leo. Rashad is here. Our cast down there. That's where the map logger exercise in the winter time. So guys, welcome back to our barbecue here. What is this? Pilau? So don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel. I am Sabit RT. Share and subscribe to our channel, guys. Okay, go back to the cooking chicken again. As you can see, guys, here. Everybody's happy, everybody's full. We have a lot of chicken still here. You know, burgers are ready. You know, we have more boxes are not cooking yet. 3 boxes are not ready yet. So we have a long way to go. Oya, uji upo, mbona Dula simuoni Dula? Dula yupo hapa? Yuko hapa Dula? Simuoni Dula? Mzee wa Matobo. Leo utatoboa sana leo. Leo utatoboa kweli leo. Lazima avae vijora. Wagwan, man. Wagwan, brother. How you doing? How's everything? Good? Alright. Yeah, this is our brother, half Jamaican, half African, man. Yeah. This is our brother, half Jamaican, half African. Hapa nasubiri mshibe, kisha kushiba tunawapiga kirahisi. Guys, two language here. This guy used to play hockey long time. We are waiting for them to get full, and after we're gonna hit them. We're gonna beat them today. Ken Saidi. King Solomon mwenyewe huyo hapo. Yeah. Hii inakwenda live leo hii. Live. Kapteni Rama yupo hapo mwenyewe, eh?